A new report says 83% of U.S. investors would buy Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Daily News. Today's show is from a post by Maria Hewitt at Cointelegraph and brought to you by Hexa. Hexa is a non-custodial wallet designed carefully from the ground up for the average user. It's a multi-account structure and includes a 2FA-based secure account. The most exciting part? A Shamir secret sharing-based seedless recovery scheme that makes managing backups a stress-free experience. To learn more, head over to hexa.io. Now, according to a study published by Grayscale Investments, the demographics, attitudes, and beliefs of Bitcoin investors overlap considerably with those of traditional investors. The report revealed that while Bitcoin investors may be slightly more experienced and risk-tolerant than the so-called average investor, their political views, income levels, and professions bear a close resemblance to the profiles of a broader pool of surveyed investors. Moreover, the view that millennials are embracing cryptocurrency more ready than previous generations could be overstated, with Grayscale finding that the average Bitcoin investor is 42 versus 45 for all investors. As an overall trend, the report notes that Bitcoin has expanded its reach to a broad mainstream audience. Increasingly, savvy investors recognize that Bitcoin may have unique investment characteristics that provide diversification far beyond the basic 60% stock, 40% bond portfolio allocations. Now, to illustrate the potential payoff of such diversification, Grayscale cites in-house research that indicating that between September of 2013 and June of 2019, adding just 5% in Bitcoin to a simulated global 60-40 portfolio more than doubled cumulative returns from 41.9% to 90.9%. Now, while 36% of investors would consider an investment in Bitcoin of any allocation, a still higher figure of 83% out of the 1,100 surveyed revealed they were strongly motivated by the prospect of dipping their toes into cryptocurrency with a small investment in Bitcoin. Additionally, 79% of respondents said they were bullish on Bitcoin's growth potential. Now, given Bitcoin's moniker as a digital gold, Grayscale also investigated the overlap between investors in both assets, finding that among Bitcoin investors, interest in physical gold was markedly higher than the average investor. For example, 69% of Bitcoin investors see gold as a good investment, while 55% of all investors do. Now, the report also examines reason behind investors' reluctance to invest in Bitcoin, with 75% of all investors and 68% of those interested in Bitcoin revealing that digital crime was their foremost fear about Bitcoin. 65% of all investors and 53% of those interested in Bitcoin voiced concerns about patchy regulations of the new asset class. So let me ask you, how comfortable are you about investing in Bitcoin? Share your thoughts, as always, in the comments, and please remember to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. Don't forget to take a look at our new sponsor, HexaWallet.io. I'm GaryLeland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. Brought to you by the CryptoPodcaster.com network.